Hello and welcome to another demo of the Solo theme. My name is Ala Haddad and I am the developer of the Solo theme. And today we are going to talk about one of the new feature, the Popup plugin block. This feature, you will see it in this in the setting page, and because you should have by default when you install the theme, uh, you should have a block in this region. This is the block, and it should be enabled by default. So what is that block really actually does for people? So if I'm going to open a private window, because you can't see what's happening when you're logged in. So I'm just gonna go to uh, visit the site and then LinkedIn as anonymous. Try to log into the page. As you see here on that side, this is my local, and the feature is not enabled. So here it is. So if I click login, that's the default behavior of Drupal. Take you to the login page / user login. So when you enable this one and you click save, if I go now and click home and click login, that's what you get. And I added an extra kind of feature or something, because sometimes some people likes to change the word login. So if you change this word to subscribe or anything, so that's what you're gonna get in the page on the button. This is the button change. So let's see which one comes first. This is saved. I'm not sure if I have to clear cache or no. No, there is. So that's what it is. So it's a new feature. It did not exist in the old theme. I hope you like it. See you in the next one.